Tilapia fillets are very delicious and easy to make. Blackened tilapia fillets with mango salsa. Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Mangoes are in season right now and topped on the tilapia fillets, served with some rice or even a salad, this dish makes a perfect weeknight dinner. So I have 3 pieces of tilapia here that I got from my local supermarket. Open them up, put them right onto the plate. Take a piece of paper towel and just pat them dry. So all I need to do with this is just to blacken. I'll sprinkle some black pepper, some salt. This is my all-purpose rub that I use on chicken, beef, on everything that I grill or roast. Just sprinkle it on top of the fish. I will leave the recipe on the description box. Turn this fish. Do the same on the other side. More of this spice. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. It's just so flexible. Sprinkle some lemon juice. And then a touch of vegetable oil. Now just massage this. I'll leave this to marinate just about 15 minutes or so, that works. And then I'll go ahead and make the salsa. I got a very ripe mango, just peel. When it comes to salsas, actually you can use whatever fruits that are in season in your area. They go very well with fish, chicken, or any grilled meats. These are cool. In the center of the mango, some thin slices here, like so, going along the core. Turn the mango. Take as much of the mango meat as you can. They're delicious. Love mangoes, they are delicious. So roughly dice this. Once all the mango is diced, move to this bowl. I will use half of this jalapeno, seeds and all. If you're not a fan of heat, you can take out the seeds. I got some chopped cilantro. They go in. These are some chopped scallions. Leave some for garnishing. Season with some salt, black pepper, and just a touch of our rub here. This is optional. Finish with some vegetable oil or olive oil, just a little bit. Squeeze in some lemon juice. Mix everything all together with a spoon. At this point, you can add whatever you wish into this salsa. I would prefer mine just to be just mango, scallions, cilantro, and jalapeno for now. That works for me. But you can add red bell peppers here. You can add red onion. Let me give this a taste. Oh, that's so good. Into this pan, add some vegetable oil. Once the oil is smoking hot, start laying the fish on top, being careful not to burn yourself. The goal here is to sear the fish. Find a spot for the third one. Now just leave it alone to sear. So after about 5 minutes or so on high heat, you'll notice the fish is turning on the edges. That's a good indication to turn. So be careful, just flip it. Look at that beauty. Nicely blackened, so that's what you're looking for, those deep colors. So because these fillets are thin, we don't even need to take them into the oven. They'll just finish right here on the stove. What you can do now is baste them with this oil that is flavored with all the spices, and this will also help the fillets to cook through. If you are liking this video already, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Turn off the heat, and just like that, these fillets are nicely cooked. So just give them a couple minutes. Remove this fish onto this platter and have it rest. Very delicious, very delicate, very beautiful. Drizzle some of this very flavorful oil. Has all the spices in it. Our blackened tilapia fillets are all done here. They've rested. Serve them over these rice and beans. Delicious. Just like so. Get a dollop of your salsa here, very fresh, very tropical, right on top of the fish. And if you want to finish, some of this oil and on the fish, it's all flavor. Garnish with some cilantro and scallions, optional. This gives your dish a nice finishing touch. And there you have it. Blackened tilapia fillets, rice and beans, and a mango salsa, a very tropical, a dish you can make any day of the week, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Give it a bite. Some of this salsa, the rice. I'll share the recipe for the rice on my channel. Friends, I'm still holding on to this plate. I just can't wait to sit down and enjoy it. It's a very delicious and easy to make dinner on any day of the week. I hope it's a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember to subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.